Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fold a origami Valentine's Day heart. Now let's get folding. Okay, so first we're gonna fold this point to that point. So like fold it in half. And then we're gonna fold these 2 points to this point. Okay, so now we're gonna unfold and fold this point to that point. Like that. And we're gonna fold this back up. And then we're gonna turn over, fold this edge to that edge. So something like this. And then repeat on the other side, so that edge to that edge. And then we're gonna fold this in half. So like this point to that little point there. I'll show you. Like that. And now we're gonna unfold it and repeat it on the other side. And now we're gonna fold this point down here. Now we're gonna unfold it and fold this point to that crease. Like that. And now we're gonna fold this point to that point. And then unfold this point to that crease. Like that. And then we're gonna repeat on this side. So fold it in half, and a crease, and like that. And then you turn over, and there you have a paper heart. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And this is how it would end up looking like, so you could give it to a friend, to your family, as a present, itself, as a note. Bye.